There's just 10 days remaining before the current visa amnesty for foreigners here in Thailand expires, and with many placing their bets on a further extension, that hasn't been forthcoming. Unless with an extension of stay, that's a visa to you and I, or a legitimate letter or email stating that you cannot return to your home country because of either health issues issued by a hospital or that your country won't allow you in, issued by your embassy, after the 10-day period expires, anyone without one of those will be on an overstay. Time then to book that ticket if you haven't left, before it's too late. The visa amnesty has been given since spring when borders were closed and renewed several times, but with flights out of Thailand now easily available, the odds of an extension are not good. Thailand's Met Office has reported that seriously heavy rain and storms are heading towards the nation. Tropical storm Noel is due to hit Vietnam early today, crossing into Thailand by tonight or tomorrow, and is expected to see deluges, especially in the north and northeast. Not to be outdone, a monsoon from the southwest across the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand is forecast with very heavy rain and strong winds. Both are expected to affect all regions, including our own, and both fronts could extend through to Monday. The Transport Ministry revealed plans yesterday to do away with toll booths on the motorways, relieving congestion, reducing staff too, and instead opt for a vehicle registration recognition package that will automatically bill you for any tolls due. With plans to introduce the program next year, issues such as borrowed cars and rented cars where the owners don't know where the vehicle is driving are being addressed. However, the plan is to bill motorists monthly. Non-payment will result in refusal to renew vehicle tax stickers and will become a crime, and a test phase is expected earlier at 1 or 2 routes to make sure it all works. 10 new cases of the Chinese-born virus yesterday reported in Thailand, all in quarantine on arrival here, with those failing tests coming from Ethiopia, India, Burma, Indonesia and the Yemen. Meanwhile at home and in Pattaya, 10 Chinese nationals were nabbed after neighbours reported odd behaviour in Nong Pru district. Immigration and local police cased the house and pretty soon figured out that it was a business operation. A raid found that they were all working online and said to be a gambling syndicate. With one saying that he was paid 40,000 baht a month to work there, they all faced deportation. A slight reprieve for local poor, many left unemployed due to the lack of tourism, as the government announced a 3,000 baht handout to 10 million people between now and the end of the year. Those with welfare cards will receive a small amount of money. Whilst it won't cover their cost of living, it will be welcomed by many who are now on the poverty level in the region. With hotels and more still not open and no tourism, Pattaya is the only city in the region to see such high levels of new poverty. And locals should prepare for flooding in the usual areas around Pattaya, as storms reported earlier will at some point hit the region. If you live in low-lying areas, moving household goods upstairs or making sure that they're stacked high could save you a lot of problems. And motorbike drivers, well, they should take care too. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing. And the Met Office promising highs today of 30, dropping down to 26, and an exceedingly good chance of rain at any time during the day. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.